Oh, hello. Sorry.
Hello,
Hey, how are you?
I am great. Your name is Shaina, right?
My name is Shayna. Yeah, exactly. And you are Ramzan.
Yes,
Is that right?
correct. Yes, right.
Ramzan. Okay, where are you?
I am from India, and you are from?
I'm from New Zealand.
Okay, great.
Uh-huh. Where are you right now in India?
Uh, I am from India, India. Sorry.
Yeah, but right now, are you in India?
Yes, India.
Ah, okay. Uh-huh. Whereabouts? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Whereabouts in India are you, Ramzan?
I'm not able to understand your question. Sorry.
Where exactly in India are you?
Yes, I am in
Whereabouts?
northern part of India.
The northern part. Okay. I was in Rishikesh once. Are you close to Rishikesh?
Yes, yes, heard about it.
Yeah? Is it close to you?
Yes, yes.
Ah, okay. Nice. And what do you do there in your free time?
In my free time, I communicate on the Cambly, and other than that, I do coding.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Yes,
That's your job?
yes, yes. I am a software developer.
A software developer. Wow. I've actually met a lot of people who are in coding and web design and web development. Wow, okay.
Yes, correct. And what's your profession?
Right now I'm traveling, so I don't really have a profession actually. Zan. I am on Cambly, I teach yoga sometimes, I babysit, I work whatever. Yeah, a lot of different things.
So you graduated,
No, I didn't. I mean, I graduated high school, yeah, but I
and then
didn't go to
after,
university.
okay, so
After high school, I
you got
worked.
married.
No, I'm not married.
So I mean, how you are spending the time? I mean, you are working on Cambly, and other than that, what you do?
Other than that, I do yoga. I look after children. I hang out with my boyfriend. I go rock climbing. I go to visit the nature areas around here. I mean, I'm in Mexico right now, so
Okay.
it's a beautiful place. There's a lot to do and a lot to see. Yeah,
Okay, so you mean that you are spending time with extracurricular activities, right?
yeah, pretty much. I mean, I can't go back to New Zealand right now because my boyfriend is Italian and he's not
Hmm.
allowed into the country. So we are here because Mexico is open and free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So, one of the best thing which you found in New Zealand, which is, I mean, you are feeling because of which you are feeling that you are at the best place. So, can you please explain me about the best thing?
Why I think New Zealand is the best place in the world.
I mean, for you,
For me, why it's the best.
yes.
Um, hmm. I mean, there's a load of reasons. It's beautiful. The landscape is beautiful. Maori
Uh-huh.
people, our culture is very rich, and I enjoy that. I mean, that's probably one of the things that I'm most proud of as being of Maori descent. Maori people were one of the first and only actually indigenous cultures to have any type of treaty written with the colonizers immediately. You know, we
Uh-huh.
went to a lot of battles and a lot of people fought, and we were apparently very, I wouldn't say vicious, but really good at fighting, really good at war.
So you mean that
So I like that.
you guys are brave, right?
Yeah, exactly. Brave and strong and just good people. And I mean, yeah, this is a really big part of why I love New Zealand. I mean, it's probably the same for you. Why do you love India? I mean, do you
Yes,
love India?
yes, yes, of course. I love India because I am living at the place which is known as the paradise on earth.
Okay. Which is where?
Kashmir.
Kashmir. Okay.
Yes.
And
So
why is
we
that known as paradise on earth?
yes, because this place is neat and clean, and everywhere is greenery. We have the snowfalls, and yes, pollution free, you can call it.
Ah, okay. I mean, it sounds
Yes,
very similar to New Zealand.
yes, maybe, but that is not called as the paradise on earth, right?
I mean, I've never heard that about Kashmir. Did you just make that up?
Yes, yes. So, y- hello.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. So you have cut your hair?
I have cut my hair, yeah. hmm I cut it
Yes,
two
yes.
weeks ago. Yeah.
Actually, at the first time when I started the conversation, I mean right now, so I found that in the interview which you have uploaded on the Cambly,
hmm
so over there you had the hairs. So I was thinking that where are the hairs right now?
But I
It
was
was
somebody
looking
else.
even odd.
Yeah, yeah, it's really different. I mean, I've never had short hair like this before, Ramzan. I've always had like long hair or dreadlocks. So yeah, yeah, it's a change. I
I
like
mean,
it for now.
someone told you to get your hair cut, or you are having any other reason?
No, nobody told me. I wouldn't listen if somebody told me that. I because I had dreadlocks, I shaved one side first and then I did two, so I had a mohawk. And then, I mean, I just got a bit sick of it. I had a shitty day at the bank and I thought, okay, I need a change. That was it.
The hairstyle, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's great.
hmm
And yes, any incident can you explain me about about that which can give me a moral lesson?
To give you a moral lesson.
Yes.
Hmm. Um, well, I have a student who got me to edit a story from his country,
Mm-hmm.
um, which was about a sparrow and an elephant. I recently just changed the story to a quetzal because I have students in Guatemala. So I was trying to figure it out. Anyway, so the story goes that there was a baby sparrow in a nest and it fell out onto the forest floor. And this huge elephant came and to see if it was okay and gave him leaves to keep him warm, went to go get him some food, and then this fox came over and whispered to the bird, saying, "You shouldn't trust this elephant, it's too big, it could stomp you, it could eat you. I'm beautiful and small and agile, you should come with me, I'll take you to your nest." So the elephant comes back and the bird says, "Oh, I need whatever, I need more leaves." So the elephant leaves again. And then the fox comes and says, "Okay, for me to take you up to your nest, you have to jump into my mouth." So the baby bird goes, "Yeah, yeah, okay." It's in, and then he hears the not the tiger, the fox's stomach, and the fox starts laughing, obviously, because he's captured him. And then the bird is screaming, 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 and the elephant comes back, stamps on the fox's
Fox.
tail. Yeah, exactly. And the bird is rescued. What is the moral of that story?
Your fluency was so great that I couldn't able to catch all the points.
Oh, sorry. I was trying to go really fast because we only have 30 seconds left. Sorry, I'm done. Well, anyway, basically, it's to not judge people by their looks, because this elephant was so big and, clumsy animal, and the fox is like beautiful and gently, but actually, it's not very nice animal. Yeah.
Okay, great moral lesson from you. I will always remember, but your fluency was so great, and obviously I'm also interested to improve in that way.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Ramzan. It was nice to meet you.
Bye.